English speaking course.
Wake up, sweetie. Give me 5 more minutes, Mommy. I'm still sleepy. Can I sleep more? Did you sleep well last night? I slept very well. Did you get out of bed? I'm getting out of bed. Daddy is still asleep. Can you wake Daddy up? Sure, yes I can. Mommy, where's my toothbrush? There is no more toothpaste, Mommy. Can you help me squeeze toothpaste onto the toothbrush? Okay, here you are. Brush your teeth up and down, round and around, left and right. Spit out the toothpaste. Don't swallow it. Rinse your mouth with some water. Swish it back and forth. My teeth are clean now. Are you done yet? Not yet. Yes, I am. Do you need to pee? Do you need to poop? Sit on the toilet. Here is your potty. Sit on the potty. What are you doing? I'm peeing. I'm pooping too. Let me wash you. Can you try to do it yourself? Don't forget to flush the toilet. Remember to wash your hands with soap. Mommy, there is something on my hands. I can't clean it off. Rub your hands together like this. Okay, let me see your hands. Here is your towel. Go ahead and dry them. Don't forget to wash your hands before eating or after using the toilet. It's time for breakfast. Can you tell Daddy that breakfast is ready? What's for breakfast, Mommy? What would you like for breakfast? Do you want porridge for breakfast? I don't like porridge. Can I have bread or noodles? Sit at the table. Mommy, I want more milk. Drink what's in your cup first. Could you please get me more orange juice? Careful, don't spill your milk. Sorry, Mommy, I spilled the milk. I dropped my bread. Please help me pick it up. I'm full. I can't eat any more. Can I have ice cream for dessert? Look, I rinsed my mouth. I don't know how to put on this shirt. Is this inside out? Is it okay? I wanna wear white today. I don't want to wear green today. I don't want to wear this shirt. I wanna wear a toy shirt. It's still wet. We should wear it another day. How about the cow shirt? This shirt is torn. These shorts are torn. Pull the shirt down. Pull your pants up. Can you put your shoes on? Check which is left or right. Did you put your socks on? And finally, it's done. I'm ready for school. Pick up your backpack. I forgot my hat. I haven't put on socks. Wait up. Did you put milk into my backpack? I want Daddy to take me to school. Hurry up, Daddy. We're running late. Wait for me. Do you want to sit in the front seat or the back seat? Look, there is a dog sitting over there. There are so many birds flying around. Almost there. We are here. Be good. I will pick you up in the afternoon. I can go into class by myself. Mom, you can go to work. Hi, sweetie. How was school today? Did you play nicely with your friends? Yes, I did. We played games and toys together. Who is in your class? There is Peter, Susan, Nancy, and Paul. Anyone else? Who do you like best? Who do you like to play with the most? I like to play with Nancy the most. What toys do you like to play with most in your class? I like puzzles and toy trains the most. Did you share your toys with your friends? Yes, I did. I shared with Susan and Peter. Did you cry? Yes, I did. Paul took my toys. Paul also hit me on my back. Did you hit him back? No, I didn't. Good job. You shouldn't hit anyone. Fighting is bad. You are a good boy, so you won't hit anyone, right? Were you angry? Yes, I was angry. What did you do? You just breathe and wait for the bad feeling to pass. You are my kind boy. You are such a good boy. What did you have for lunch? I had rice, fish, and vegetable soup. Was it yummy? Yes, it was good. No, it was gross. Tell me what you liked and didn't like. Was there anything good? Was there anything bad? Did you eat everything? Yes, I ate everything. No, there's some left over. What did you do in class? I played games, played toys with my friends, and we sang some songs. What did you learn today? I learned about animals and food. We learned how to protect ourselves from kidnappers and strangers. Is anyone sick? Yes, Susan has a runny nose and Nancy has a fever. We're almost home now. Press the up button. The elevator is coming. Choose the 5th floor. Let's get out. Home sweet home. Let's open the door and go inside. What would you like for a snack? Mommy, I would like some ice cream. No, baby. We still have some fruit and pancakes at home. Ice cream is cold. It is not good for you now. I don't like fruit. I prefer pancakes. Where are the pancakes, Mommy? They are in the fridge. Let's open the fridge and get them out. Let me rinse some fruits. These pancakes are yummy. Where are my blocks? I wanna play with them now, but I haven't found them. I can't find them. I'm looking for them. I need your help, Mommy. It's time for a bath. Get in the bathroom. I don't want to take a bath. I want to take a shower. Take your clothes off first. Here is the shampoo. Can you wash your hair by yourself? Rub your hands and your feet. Wash your back, shoulders, tummy, and legs. Look, Mommy. There are so many bubbles on my hands and my head. Ah! My eyes are burning! Hurry up! Rinse me off! You are clean from head to toe. It is done. Let's get out. I want to shower a little longer. Okay, a little longer, or you might get sick. Here is your towel. Let's dry your hair and your body. I want fried eggs for dinner. Could you cook it for me? You eat them all the time. Yesterday we had eggs. Today we are having rice, beef, and vegetable soup. Oh, this soup is delicious. Eat all of your rice. I can't eat any more. It's really spicy. I need some water now. Please get me some water, Mommy. Is it still spicy? Eat more, please. I'm full. I can't eat all of my rice. I don't like vegetables. I will take them out of my bowl. Vegetables are good for me, but they taste very bad. Can I watch a cartoon? Okay, just a little bit. Watching time is over. Can you read a book to me? Can you tell me a story? I'm sleepy. I don't want to brush my teeth now. Do you want rotten teeth? I don't want rotten teeth. That's ugly. Time to read a book. Which book do you want to read tonight? It is late. We should go to sleep. You are yawning. Well, then Mom will turn off the light. I want to hug the teddy bear. Give me a big kiss. Do you want Mommy to sing a lullaby? It's cold. Can you put the blanket on me? Stop talking. Close your eyes and go to sleep. Sleep tight, my little boy.
Don't forget to give us a like. Thank you and see you again.